How to remove an image background in Adobe Photoshop completely for free. First, drag your image onto the timeline. Click enter or click the check mark up there, and then click the W key onto your keyboard, and then click select subject. Adobe Photoshop will do its best to select the subject. In this case, we have our subject selected. Right click and click layer via copy. And now you have selected the subject and the background is removed. A better way of doing this is clicking L and going to the Polo Lasso tool on your left side. And I'm using the Polygonal Lasso tool, and click on your image that you want to mask out. Now this method may take some more time, but it is worth it in the end depending on the project that you're doing. And then click enter, select the subject, and then now go to your original layer, right click, layer via copy. And now you have successfully removed the background and you have the image selected. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.